So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is to scale up this image. So let's select the scale tool. So now I checked keep aspect ratio and around center. And now I'm going to scale it up from one of the handles. And now I'm going to move it down. So I think I'm going to leave it here, now press enter. And now right click on the layer, layer to image size. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer, so click on this icon. And now I'm going to desaturate this layer, so you can use another image for example. So for me, I'm going to desaturate it, so go to colors, hue and saturation. I'm going to reduce the saturation all the way down and now press OK. And now right click on the layer, add the layer mask. So now check the black full transparency layer mask and now click add. So as you can see, we can't see our layer. We need to paint with white to reveal the desaturated layer. So now let's select the paintbrush tool. So I'm going to use this brush here, torn paper brush, ABR 002. I will put the link of the brush in the description box. And now I'm going to paint with white. Make sure your foreground color is white. Paint with white on the black layer mask. So it will reveal the desaturated layer. So I'm going to paint it here. Left click. So here it is. Now let's select the move tool. Now right click on the layer mask and then apply layer mask. So now I'm going to name it black and white. Double click. Press enter. So now I'm going to duplicate it. Click on this icon. This one, double click. I'm going to name it white edge. Press enter. So now in order to create the white edges of the torn paper, go to filters, light and shadow, and then select inner glow. Make sure here the mode is replace. Reduce the blur radius all the way down. I'm going to keep the X and Y as they are to 0. Increase the opacity all the way up. The color here is white. And now for the grow radius, it will increase the size. So I'm going to increase a little bit. So I think I'm going to leave it here. And now just press OK. And now left click on the FX here, the layer effects. Left click. And then click on this icon here to merge all active filters. So here it is. So here's the white edges. So now I'm going to make selection here from the white edges here. So right click alpha to selection. So here's our selection. Now I'm going to increase the size of the selection. So go to select, grow. I'm going to increase it by 3 pixels. Press OK. And now create a new layer. Click on this icon. Fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm going to fill it with the black color. So I'm just going to move the background black color here to this so to paint it. So here it is. And now let's remove the selection. Go to select none. So I'm going to name this layer shadow. Double click. Let's name it shadow. Press enter. So for now I'm going to place it under the white edges. So here it is. So now select the scale tool. So we want to scale from one of the handles here, the top and bottom. So hold the shift key and then scale from one of these handles, top, bottom. And now I'm going to move the layer by using this center here, square. I want to place it right under the white edges. So here it is. And now click on scale. And now I'm going to blur it. So go to filter, blur, and then select Gaussian blur. Let's increase a little bit the blur. So I think I'm going to leave it here. Now press OK. And now you can still reduce the opacity here of the shadow layer to adjust it. Or if you want to strengthen it, just duplicate it. So here it is. And then reduce it a little bit. So now I'm just going to add some noise. So select the top layer, right click, new from visible. Press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. Go to filter, noise, and then select CIE noise, left click. So I'm going to reduce the chroma all the way down, and then I'm going to increase the dulling. So now I'm just going to control the effect until I get the effect I want. So here it is, and now press OK. And now press minus key on your keyboard to zoom out.